done did, man? What you done did, Ski?
Look.
What you done did, man?
That bitch ball to the rum, boy.
Eee!
That bitch ball to the rum.
Eee!
I don't know how we about to trail him now.
Huh?
Oh, yeah.
What's on the menu, man?
We're about to see what's going on.
What's on the menu, man?
About to see what's going on right now. Oh, yeah.
Let's go.
Oh, I ain't gonna lie.
And well, you set the tone. You in that other black cat? Y'all set the tone, boy.
Can't do that, bitch.
Y'all set the tone, bro.
Thing is, I ain't got no fun.
4 times, man. They say what's up, man. 4 times. What happened just now? What happened just now, man? What happened? Tell them what's up.
Bitch, I ain't even mean to come through like that. You feel me?
You can't do trim. You can't do real trim it down, bro.
Real tight though. Look, you can see. Look, them folks beeping and shit. Swerve. You tell us swerve. We got swerve over there.
Lady Swerve, you already know she in that motherfucker. Swerve, what's that Swerve?
I ain't got work tomorrow, bitch. I'm not.
Oh! Swerve ain't work tomorrow.
Listen to the horns.
Y'all have what's going on?
Beep, beep, beep. That's why I ain't getting in my car yet. I want everybody to clap for the cat to come through that bitch Trump. Go to that gas station.
What up, boy? Still cutting up back there. You hear that shit, Swerve? You hear that shit?
Right quick, man.
I got some too, boy.
I already know we popping big shit. You feel me on the light, man. Yeah. Talk your shit, little Tom. Man, you smell me. This shit overly deep, like overly. You feel me? And we got the pink hat over there with the hood off. I don't know what 12 talk about.
What is talking about? We just trying to have fun. They'd rather us kill each other than this? Yes. Come on, bro. You gotta shut us out.
Hold on. Ass chick can get wicked if you want to get wicked. P30 on my motherfucking waist. Come on, bro. Come on, man. We just trying to have fun.
Fucking RT getting in, man.
Yeah, this is why we can't hear, bro. Fuck 12, bro. We not worried about that shit, bro. I need your information.
Can't fuck 12, y'all know what the fuck.
Hey, man, we all set by 12, man.
We work here, man. I'm on the clock, nigga. Niggas on the clock. I'm a breeze out this motherfucker. You smell me? Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That's why I'm gonna wait till they got them. Okay, buddy, that pink cat got a Carolina tag on it. Yeah, hey, hello. Hey, step the boy out here in that 5-0 motherfucker.
Yeah.
What you got for me, man? Let me hit that motherfucker up under the hood. Let me hit that motherfucker up under the hood. Chick-fil-A, nigga. That dude is fuck too. We got Chick-fil-A, man. Okay. Shout out to them 5-0s, man. Y'all know. 12. Man, stop that shit. Oh, shit. My boy geeking. You know that going in the vlog.
Real?
You need you a new front bumper, boy.
You need that in the...
You need you a new front.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Okay. Top off.
Top off.
Yeah, okay. Okay.
Top off,
Okay, that could be.
That be Cam.
Oh, whoa. Okay. Shitting. Pink shit.
Something right there in the leg, he'll hit that bitch. Hit that bitch, huh?
Hold on, hell no.
Don't hit him in the back. No shot.
Go back in, we got
Wait, let's make it one more time.
Do your thing, bro. Do your
Let's
thing.
make it one more time. Uh-oh. I hear him. He's sneezing up under there. He's sneezing up under there.
What you think, Ski? What you
That bitch
think?
sneezing bad.
I need y'all to hit the fucking side.
That bitch got allergies.
Y'all need some more.
Hey,
Hey, Ski, they want to know what's going on, man. Ski, they want to know what's going on.
I don't know what's going on. We about to boogie the scene.
Break the scene?
We about to boogie the scene.
Next spot?
Next spot.
Okay.
Next spot, the A spot.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Fuck 12, man.
We are in a video. Y'all know the one thing about the park right here. You right there?
Yeah, who video? I think Deuce shit. Crunkhead dead. I know what that is. KJ, what up, KJ? Shema. Huh? Oh God. Yo ass, swerve. She wanna play, y'all. It's her motherfucking birthday this weekend, man. Yeah. Yeah. Deuce out this motherfucker, man. Better be knowing what's going on. Deuce. Yes, sir.
I think you advise that. The car right there, goddamn parked up.
That's somebody.
Gentle B.